Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. Just a quick video today on First Solar. Now, this has been a flippin' stellar stock for so long. It's certainly something that I haven't been able to buy simply because it's been running so fast. And in my mind, whenever I chase a stock that's going so fast, frankly, it's like chasing a race car. And then I wind up chasing it right into the pits and get and slam into the back of it. And so it's just not something that I do. But I have been watching this stock along with the rest of the solar stocks. After all, we're all solar crazy, right? And so we see this stock has pulled back for something like 9 days. Actually more than that, almost 3 weeks or 13 trading days, and then we finally got to move higher now above yesterday's intraday high. In fact, actually the high was the highest in several days. Volume, though, was even less than average, so it's not like this huge big move today. However, what I did was I picked it up at about exactly $135, and my stop's down here at 126.90. So it's really about I can't get it under 6%. 6% risk. And so this is a trade that works for me, and maybe it'll work for you. I'll just say this, on this kind of a potential breakout, you really need to see the stock continue to run. If it starts to pull back, then your timing is, or I'll say it, my timing is wrong. And I probably wind up selling the stop and possibly not even before, or possibly before it even hits the stop. With this kind of move, it really needs to run. But right now, the trend is still really lower highs and lower lows. I just like this closing location value. It's a really, really nice close. So anyway, that's all I got for you members. We got a few different stocks on the active trade list. All of them are looking good. You need to get over there. Look, if you haven't been a member of Stock Market Mentor before, then this is the time for you to join. Okay? All right. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time.